Today, we will learn about working with Paint 3D. Hello friends. We all love to draw beautiful sketches and sceneries. But sometimes we face difficulty in drawing some object or paint it as per our choice. Do you know your computer has a solution for it? Yes, it has a painting software called Paint 3D that makes drawing an easy and fun activity. All the versions of Windows operating system have a built-in drawing software called Paint which helps the user in drawing and painting beautiful pictures. But in the updated version of Windows 10, a new edition of Paint app called Paint 3D has been included. This application comes for free with Windows 10. The addition of creating and editing 3D images is a significant change that has been incorporated in Paint 3D. Paint 3D is a simple yet powerful and creative app. Knowledge point. Difference between 2D and 3D objects. 3D objects have 3 dimensions like length, width and height, whereas 2D objects have 2 dimensions length and width. Features of Paint 3D app. We can easily combine 2D and 3D tools to create projects. We can create professional and fun creatives. We do not require a lot of technical knowledge to use it. Its user-friendly interface makes it easier to customize existing 3D models and create new 3D designs. Log on to Paint 3D app. Follow the given steps to open Paint 3D software. Click on the Start button. Select the Paint 3D option from the menu. Or type Paint 3D in search in the search box. The Paint 3D window will open. Paint 3D interface. The Paint 3D window has the following elements. Menu. The menu tab contains various options such as New, Open, Save, Save As and Print to perform multiple functions. Brushes. The Brushes tab contains various types of brushes that can be used to paint on both 2D and 3D surfaces. 2D shapes. This option is used to draw 2D shapes such as circle, rectangle, star, etc. The 2D Shapes Tools panel is shown. 3D shapes. This option is used to draw 3D shapes such as cone, cylinder, fish, etc. The 3D Shapes Tools panel is shown. Stickers. This option has a ready-made picture gallery from which we can pick the pictures and paste them in our drawings as stickers. The Stickers Tools panel is shown. Text. This option is used to add text in the drawings. The Text Tools panel is shown. 3D Library. The 3D library provides a wide range of 3D objects arranged in different groups that can be used in our drawings. Canvas. The canvas of the 3D Paint window is the area where we can create different drawings. It is like a 2D sheet of paper. It lives in 3D space, and 3D objects can be moved. Brushes in Paint 3D. Brushes in Paint 3D help us in creating unique and wonderful drawings. These brushes work on both the canvas and on 3D models. These brushes help us in giving our drawings a professional look. When we select the Brushes tool, different brush options open up on the right side panel. This panel also has options for adjusting the thickness, opacity, material, and color of the brush. Step 1. Choose a brush and draw lines by clicking the left mouse button at a start point, and then, with the left button pressed, drag the cursor to make a line. Step 2. Use different brushes in different ways. Try different colors and thickness settings. Drawing 2D shapes. The vast collection of 2D shapes in Paint 3D enables us to draw perfect shapes. The line and the curve tool also help us to draw perfect shapes. To draw a 2D shape in Paint 3D, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click on the 2D shapes option. Step 2. Select the square tool from the given 2D shapes. Step 3. Take the mouse pointer on the canvas area. Step 4. Drag the mouse to draw a square when the mouse pointer changes to plus sign. Step 5. Add color to the square by using the fill option. Drawing 3D shapes. There are 3 types of 3D shapes in Paint 3D. They are 3D models, 3D objects, and 3D doodles. We will start with 3D objects, as they form the basic geometric figures. Steps for drawing a 3D shape are as follows. Step 1. Click on the 3D shapes option. Step 2. Select the tube tool from the given 3D shapes. Step 3. Take the mouse pointer on the canvas area. Step 4. Drag the mouse to draw a tube when the mouse pointer changes to plus sign. Step 5. Add color to the tube using the Edit Color option from the 3D selection panel. Okay students, let us understand how to opening a project. The Open option in Menu tab is used to open a file or a project that was saved earlier. To open a saved project, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Menu tab. Step 2. Select the Open option. Step 3. The Open window will display a list of saved projects. Step 4. Select the desired project from the list. Saving a project. Follow the given steps to save a project in Paint 3D. Step 1. Click on the Menu tab. Step 2. Select the Save As option from the list of displayed options. Click on Paint 3D project present under Save in Paint 3D project. Step 4. Type a valid name for your project in the Name Your Project field and click on the Save in Paint 3D button. Let us quickly have a look on chapter review. Paint 3D is a built-in creative application that comes free with Windows 10. The Paint 3D window has elements like menu, brushes, 2D shapes, 3D shapes, stickers, text tool, 3D library and canvas. It is used to draw 2D and 3D objects. Menu option contains various options to work such as New, Open, Save, Save As and Print. Canvas tool is like a 2D sheet of paper that lets you create different drawings.